For this question, we're doing some trigonometry again. So we've got this thing, tell us about a lab. It's time after 3 a.m. given by the rule of this. So the first thing, the amplitude is 4, it's a coefficient of sine, and the period is 2 pi over 12 over pi. So we'll say 2 pi divided by bracket 12 over pi, so it should be like 6 hours. Oh no. 2 pi divided by what? 2 pi over pi on 12. Sorry, my mistake. Pi on 12, 24. So we've got a period of 24 hours. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to, it's asking us to sketch it over that, and we asked a bunch of questions. We're going to define that. So we'll define C of X, we'll call it, equals 22 minus 4 cos pi times X over 12. And press enter. Let's see if they match up. 22 minus 4 pi. Cool. Alright, I know we're going to define the main. So we're going to say that's going between 0 and in the question it tells us 24. X 24. So that's what we've got there. So, oh no, not times, given. Okay, so now, so we've got that. Now we're going to graph it. Menu, oops, not that one. Home, graph, C of X. Got to go up. Menu, Windows, Zoom. Let's see. Question says we're going from 22, we're going down to 18, we'll go up to 26. So we'll go from -1 to 25. And we'll do this from -1 to 27. There we have our graph. Okay, so now we can start answering. So the range, we've got our menu, analyze graph. Let's go minimum, maximum, minimum. 18, maximum 26. So 18 to 26 is our range. Calculate the value. Calculate C of 8 and state the time of day when this temperature first occurs. So C of 8, 24. So where is the first 24 degrees? So solve C of X equals 24. So X happens at 8 and happens at 16. So if it happens at X equals 8, that means it's happening at 11 a.m. because we're starting at 3 a.m. So calculate C of 8, so that's 24 degrees. State the time of day when it happens at 3 a.m. Okay, sorry, 3 a.m. 11 a.m. 3 a.m. plus 8 hours. Determine the values of T and hence the other times day where the temperature is between noon today and midnight. Okay, when else is it? Is between noon today and midnight. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the graph. Tab C of 8. There. Menu, analyze it. So intersection there and there. Menu, analyze intersection there and there. So let's see. Determine the values of T and hence the other times of the day that the temperature in the computer lab is C8 between noon and midnight. Okay, so this is 11 a.m. So noon's going to be about here. So it also happens 16 hours after 3 a.m. So that is another 12 hours plus 4. So it happens at 7 p.m. Over one day, find the fraction of time that the computer is less than or equal to 20 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do, whoops. So we're going to see when it is less than or equal to 20 degrees. Okay, so solve C of x is less than or equal to 20 for x. Oh, that's horrible. Now, so what we'll do is we'll go to our graph. We're going to, instead of having that, we're going to say 20. And we're going to see how long it spends below 20. Intersection happens after 4 hours. Moving everything away, menu, analyze graph, intersection. And then it happens again in the last 4 hours. So it spends altogether 8. So we got 4 hours here, 4 hours here, so it becomes 8. So what do they want? Over 1 day, find a fraction in time. So it's 8 over 24, which is a third. So it's 8/24, which simplifies to a third. Okay. The maximum temperature in the computer lab on any day is reduced to 25 degrees, with no change in the minimum temperature. Okay. Temperature is now, the temperature in the computer lab R degrees is now given in terms of T and now given by this. So we've got a maximum of 25, but there's no change to the minimum. So as a result of that, what we're going to do is, well, we had a maximum of 26, so we know it was originally a maximum of 26. So if we bring it down by 1, that means the whole thing's going to come down. So what we need to do is, let's define it. Oops, C of x is this. So that's what we've got there. So now what ends up happening is we go to 25, and it doesn't change. So the minimum is 18. So we're looking at going from 18 to 25. So 25 minus 18. So that means we have 7. So we've got a amplitude of 7. Oh, sorry, we've got an amplitude of 3.5. So this can be 21.5 plus 3.5. Oops. 3.5. 21.5 minus 3.5. So there we go. So our new amplitude, so our new value of A is 3.5 and our value of B is 21.5. So that's all we have for those two questions there.